If you fancy a tale of resilience and survival, then strap in. Prepare to delve into the world of tardigrades, the unyielding survivors of the animal kingdom. Tiny yet mighty, tardigrades, affectionately known as water bears, are microscopic marvels barely half a millimeter in length. These eight-legged extremophiles are not just surviving. They're thriving in environments that would be lethal to most life forms. From the deepest oceans to the tallest mountains, tardigrades are virtually indestructible. How do they manage this? Through a remarkable process called cryptobiosis, tardigrades can shut down their metabolism, becoming essentially lifeless until conditions improve. This allows them to withstand temperatures from just above absolute zero to well above boiling, radiation levels that would obliterate other life forms, and even the vacuum of outer space. Truly, tardigrades are the connoisseurs of survival, showing us that life, in its most humble form, can endure against all odds. Isn't science just marvelous?